show you how to use false condition in a nested if. First, the question is, can we use a false statement in a nested if? And the answer is yes, we can do, but it's only once, and that is in the end. So you can't use the argument function for true and false every time in the beginning. It can be used only once in the end. So what is going to be the scenario is like, if the condition is true and false, you can use true and nested if and true and nested if, and but in the last but the least, we can use a false condition in the end only. So it's just like a if condition. It's a nested if where we can use a false condition. So I made this as a false condition with the nested if. So if you want to see that, I want to say that this is my request date and this is my creation date. So I want to check what is the difference in these two. So I want to write a function for this so that I can get see what how many days it takes to raise from a request to a purchase order. So if you want to write a simple formula, so it will be like, it is going to be with the false condition. So it will be like if, whereas in my other previous videos I showed you only nested if on true conditions. So this is why I'm showing it's a typical video which is going to be showing you how to use on a false condition. So if open parenthesis, logical statement will be like d3, if there is some data over here, equals to 0 0 comma, then there will be no PR, no request, so there will be no PR. Else again I'll be showing you as if open parenthesis. So it's only a true condition, there is no false, so I'm taking only for true. So please refer to my previous videos. I have a lot of videos, more than dozen videos on nested ifs. So again, if this value from the PR amount, it's going to be, so if the dates, so this date minus this date equals to 0, then I will require the answer as 1 or plus 1. So you can write either plus 1, or you will be writing as 0 plus 1. So it's better to write a 0 plus 1, otherwise it will get an error. So now I'm going to write one more condition, that if open parenthesis, now the date created this minus the PR received date is greater than 0. So this is the sign for greater than 0. So now I'm going to have two conditions for true and false. So for if it is true, I'll be having the same answer. I want to keep the same answer. So it will be like I3 minus D3. So be careful. Now I'm using a false. So this is the only function where I'm using a false for the last one. So it can be anything, because if there is no answer or no data, I can mention that PO not created. So I'll be putting in the double quotes, PO not created, double quotes. So now it's ending. So this is the only area I'm having true and false. So all the if conditions will be using true, true, true. You cannot use a false in between. So if you want to have a false, you can use at the end. So this is the video I'm showing you how can you use a false condition. Instead of writing one more true in one more condition, you can make a false for the at the end. So the same video I'll be showing you in next Power Query how we use if then else function in my forthcoming videos. Now let's close this. We'll be having close the parenthesis 1, 2, 3. So there are three ifs, 1, 2, and 3. As I showed you in the previous videos, the law is the number of nested ifs will be the number of total parentheses. And I'll be hitting an enter. So answer is 1. So if I move down, I will get answer. This is showing in red colors because there is a conditional formatting in that. So if you want, I can show you. So you use the conditional format. So the it's used for the cells based on their values. So if it is 0, it will be green color. So above 6 will be a darker green, and the maximum till 15 will be showing a red color. So it's a 3 color scale. So I hope you got this video, and I understood you may understand that how to use the nested if in a false conditions. So the same formula I'll be showing you how to use. If you're not happy with this these records, you can use a dated if. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to test dated if as per the Power Query functions. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share the button, share the video, and let people know more and more about Excel. And happy learning. See you in the next video.